Jinx, what are you feeling right now?
Nothing to explain. We all saw what happened there. Pretty disappointed with the effort. I'll take the blame. As a captain of the team, played the wrong shot, though, it was missing. But again, it started from there. So as a captain, I'll take the blame.
What did the youngster say when he walked up to you before you walked off? Did he say review or did he say it was hitting?
He was not pretty sure. He said it probably could be umpire's call. I don't wanted to take chance on that time. I was not pretty sure as well. So, yeah, that was a discussion.
Tell me what the discussion was at the halfway stage and if net run rate came into the equation at all.
Not really. Till when I was batting there, for me, what I was thinking, 2 point is important rather than net run rate. Wicket was not that easy. Again, 111 was pretty chaseable. We batted really badly as a batting unit. We take the full responsibility as a batting unit. I thought bowlers did really well on this surface, restricting 111. The strong Punjab batting lineup. So, yeah.
I know it's pretty difficult at this stage with it all just having happened. How difficult and what happens when there is a slide like that and to stop it, and what needs to happen to stop it?
See, as an individual, you still have to be confident, be positive. But I thought on this wicket, when we were batting, I thought batting with straight, with full face of the bat sweep, I thought was pretty hard to play. Let the ball come and then just take your chances. Keep the intent going, but look to play cricketing shots. So again, you got to be really positive. Keep that intent going. But I thought we were a little reckless. We should take full responsibility as a batting unit.
When you go into your change room now, is there much talk? Is it silent? What do you do? When do you say what you need to say in order to try and, I suppose, right the wrongs?
At the moment, there are too many things going in my head, still early. As you all saw, pretty disappointed. It was an easy chase for us. We faulted it out as a batting unit. Let's see. When I go upstairs, need to keep myself really calm and then think about it, what to talk to the boys. You still have to be positive, There are, you don't want, still halfway to the tournament is still remaining. It's still, as a team, as a unit, we still have to be positive and keep good brand of cricket. But at the same time, we would definitely like to address the stuff and move forward.
Yeah, commiserations on the loss and all the best with that, Chad, and as the tournament goes along.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
What a happy captain Shreyas Iyer is going to be, because the target that they had set was definitely a tricky one. But how does he see it? How does his team see it? We'll all hear from Shreyas Iyer. Shreyas, incredible game of cricket. Congratulations on the win, but would like to hear your thoughts.
My thoughts, it's hard to express in words. I was just backing my instincts. I saw the ball was turning a bit, asked Yuzi to control his breathing as much as possible because, the wickets were important and we needed to be attacking. And thankfully, right players were there at the right place. And I'm not able to talk. It's tough to digest the victory. And such victories actually benefit you at the end.
I know it's difficult because it's still very overwhelming, the kind of result it is, but let me make it slightly easier for you. I'll break it down. Let's start with the batting first. Obviously, you wanted to bat first, wanted to put the runs on the board. The start was reasonably good, but the follow-up wasn't that. How would you put that down to?
See, obviously, I personally felt when I went out to bat, I faced two balls. One stayed low and one hit the bottom and absolutely carried. And other players there who are good in sweeping the balls were not able to connect it. So obviously there was a variable bounce in the wicket. And we got to a decent total, to be honest, looking at the victory with 16 runs. Yeah. I think, we batted decently. But other than that, what I made out of the wicket was, it was variable. And the bounce wasn't consistent. So, we had that at the back of our mind and we discussed with the bowlers to stay in the stumps as much as possible. And they executed the plans really well.
Before Yuzi came into bowl and after Yuzi started picking those wickets, obviously the belief must have been there even before you crossed those ropes and coming out there and defending. But what was the chatter around? What was the discussion around? How did the belief spread around in the group?
So obviously 2 wickets in 2 overs, that gave us that kind of momentum. But the 2 batters later came in and they took the momentum towards them, and then suddenly when we saw UZ came and started turning the ball, our hopes and expectations went higher, and from there on I just started believing that we can turn the game from here. So I wanted the field to be attacking right in front of the batsmen so that they would make some mistake or try some different shots, which they did, and yeah, the tide turned towards us.
What are your words going to be in that dressing room after the batting performance, after this incredible fielding and bowling performance?
See, it's important that we stay humble and not get overhyped from this win. I think this win is definitely going to create a lot of boost. It is important we take all the positives and the belief that we possessed right from ball one and try and execute the same thing in the next match.
I hope it's a better game for you as well with the bat, but certainly the result going in your favor, so congratulations and go well in the future tournament.
Thank you so much.
Shreyas Iyer, a very successful and a happy captain, of course, defending the target. Now, of course, it's the important award. That's the Player of the Match award. Could I request Mr. Varun Gupta and Ms. Preeti G. Zinta to present the Player of the Match award to Yuzvendra Chahal for his outstanding performance tonight. 4 overs, 4 wickets, 28 runs, and he has turned the tide in Punjab Kings' favor. What an outstanding start, what an outstanding finish to the game. आइए, मैंने बड़ी कोशिश करी श्रेयस से पूछने की कि क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, लेकिन आपको उसकी आवाज़ नहीं आई होगी, लेकिन अब आप बताइए, पूरा मैच शुरू से लेके एंड तक आपने कैसे देखा?
आई थिंक पूरे एफर्ट है पूरी टीम का, और स्पेशली हमने ये सोचा था कि इजी नहीं करना है, हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोचना है, और स्पेशली हमारे माइंड में था कि पावर प्ले में अगर 2-3 विकेट आते हैं डेफिनेटली प्रेशर बनेगा, क्योंकि विकेट इतना इजी नहीं था, क्योंकि हमने भी पावर प्ले में 4 विकेटें करी, लेकिन जब उनके स्पिनर बॉल डाले तो हमें था कि थोड़ा स्लो है, थोड़ा अगर आप टर्न करने जाए तो टर्न भी होगा।
सबकी बॉलिंग एक तरफ, जब आप पावर प्ले पास आए बॉलिंग करने के लिए तो आपकी बॉलिंग एक तरफ। पहली बॉल जब टप्पे पे गिरी थी उसके बाद श्रेयस स्लिप में आके खड़े हो गए थे और फिर 2 डॉट बॉल्स थी। क्या वो आपकी बॉलिंग की इंडिकेशन थी या वो प्लान था?
जब फर्स्ट बॉल डाला मैंने मैम तो थोड़ा टर्न हुआ, तो शेष ने बोला स्लिप में, कहाँ स्लिप चाहिए, क्योंकि एक भी चांस नहीं देना था कि आप वहाँ से जब चौका जाता है फिर आप स्लिप लो। तो ये था कि अगर हम अटैक करते हैं, क्योंकि उनके पास रन हमारे पास कम थे, तो ये था कि अब विकेट लेके ही मैच जीत सकते हैं।
जब आप विकेट ले रहे थे, पहली मिली, दूसरी मिली, फिर एक टाइम हैट्रिक पर भी थे, तो क्या ये कहीं दबाव था कि अगर मेरे 4 ओवर पे रन्स पड़ गए तो सामने से विकेट नहीं मिलेगा?
नहीं मैम, पिछले मैच में 4 ओवर 56 खा के आया हूँ, तो उतना नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे को था कि मैं अगर मिडल ओवर में गेम चेंज कर सकता हूँ तो मेरे को पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस था, और मैं अपने सेल्फ बिलीव को बैक किया कि जिस हिसाब से मैं डालता हूँ, मैं कहा आज चांस है उस हिसाब से बॉल डालने का।
हमें तो कभी भी डाउट नहीं था एबिलिटीज़ पे, और आपको तो वैसे भी नहीं है एबिलिटीज़ पे, लेकिन जब आपकी विकेटें मिलने लगी और आपने पिछले मैचेस में ठीक है कम मिली या थोड़े रन पड़े, तो जब आपको पहली विकेट मिली फिर आपका माइंडसेट क्या वो एकदम से शेरों वाला हो गया था कि नहीं कि आज चलने देते हैं? अच्छा
नहीं मैम, मैं हमेशा जो मैं पहली बॉल डालता हूँ तो माइंडसेट वही रहता है कि आउट कैसे करें, और जब अजूबिया को आउट किया तो ये था कि अब दूसरी टीम प्रेशर में है, तो और पेस वेरी कर रहा था कि अगर उनको मारना है तो उनको एफर्ट लगाना पड़े छक्का मारने के लिए।
हमने कभी नहीं कहा कि युजवेंद्र चहल दूर चले गए हैं, आपको तो कभी नहीं लगा ना कि मैं बहुत दूर चला गया हूँ? प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच कभी भी मिल जाएगा, विकेट तो मिल ही जाएंगी।
नहीं मैम, उससे ज़्यादा ये थी कि आप ऐसा मैच जब जीतते हैं तो टीम का मोरल बहुत हाई होता है, स्पेशली लो स्कोर पे, और स्पेशली होम ग्राउंड में आप जीतते हैं, और पंजाब के लिए मेरा पहला मैन ऑफ द मैच है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था पिछले 4 मैच पर। मैंने सोचा नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि अगर मैं अपनी स्किल को बैक करूँगा और जिस हिसाब से बॉल डालता हूँ उस हिसाब से बॉल डालूँ तो सक्सेस मिलती रहेगी।
अब होम ग्राउंड में भी सक्सेस मिल रही है, बाहर तो मिलेगी ही। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, क्योंकि हम चाहेंगे आप दोबारा यहीं खड़े होकर एक और प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच जीतें।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Congratulations आज की जीत के लिए।
Thank you मैम।
Of course, an incredible win for the home team Punjab Kings, and here they won the contest by 16 runs.